To download the performance report is quite easy. It's accessible in two places. Members can access it in the Member Management Console. It's also available to the general public on the TraderTargets.com website. If you navigate to the site and go to the services page, scroll to the bottom of the services page under the Technical and Usage Guide, and under Performance Statistics, there's a bold link that says Here. If you click on that, that will then open where you can view or download the performance report in a PDF. Since we've been using crude oil, CL, as our example symbol, we want to scroll through the report and find where crude oil is. Having found crude oil, I recommend for newer members and people interested in the TraderTargets model to put the report and their TraderTargets charts from the members area side by side, just so they can become familiar with the categories. We recommend that you first make sure that the ticker that you're looking at and the ticker on the report are the matching ticker symbols. When we look at the report itself, these particular percentages are the historical occurrences of when price met the target level in the past. These are perfect scenarios. Now, as technical traders, we understand that the past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. The past doesn't always repeat itself. However, it does shape our trading. This is why we're technical traders. Now, the report helps us see range expansion and range contraction and how the TraderTarget model is doing to plot reasonable and reliable targets within momentum, within volatility, within the trend in an ever-changing market. We want to ask ourselves, what is the probability of price meeting a particular target level? What's important to notice on the report is within the daily average time period, you're going to match your categories with your percentages on the chart. So for example, we've highlighted a choppy day with the chop cloud support resistance zone. Now, whether you're using the enhanced view on the right-hand side or you're using the horizontal view, the values are the same. As we move into target 1, whether this is target 1 high or target 1 low, and these values also are seen in the horizontal pane. Now, for clarity, we have discussed that the TraderTargets model is a mixture of pivot point theory and trend, momentum, and volatility analysis. So the dividing line between whether you're going to look towards a target high or a target low certainly becomes this chop cloud. Is that once price is below the cloud, you're going to start looking for target 1, target 2, target 3, and hysteria. And this is going to tell you that there is a 96% chance that when price gets below the cloud, this chop support resistance zone, there's a 96% chance that it's moving into target 1. There's an 87% chance you're going to get to 2, 30% chance you're getting to 3, and rarely you're getting 22% chance you're getting into the hysteria zone. Certainly this would be true if price got above this cloud. You would look to go to level 1, 2, 3, and then into euphoria. The performance report also gives you a sense of confidence that the TraderTargets model is doing a good job within the changing market, staying fairly consistent with its targets levels, even though momentum may slow or speed up, or volatility may increase or decrease. It's going to adjust for that market. In addition to looking at particular categories, maybe target 2, and asking what's the probability of price hitting that if it moves above or if it moves below, we want to look at the probability of having a choppy day where price just kind of gravitates and does not hit target 1, but rather it stays inside of those. For this particular instrument, on the last 30-day average, there's a 4% chance of that. And what that means is if this is target one and this is target one, price is just kind of going to bounce around in between here, being a choppy day. While it's true that on this day we did meet the target one low on several occasions, this would have been a very difficult day to trade. This day is the exact same as this enhanced view without candles on it. It's just when the day began, no one knew how the chart was going to play out. Nobody knew that it was going to be a ranging, choppy day with a bearish bias. But what the Trader Target model did tell us is that there was a bearish bias, and it told us that rarely does a chop day happen, only 4% out of the last 30, and that there would be a 96% chance that target one low would be touched if price got under the cloud. It's this type of information that gives traders objective, measurable insight into the market each day. Nobody knows how the day is going to go. Nobody knows the future. But this is where the Trader Targets model, with its consistency and reliable targets, can assist a trader to know when the trade's going correctly or when it's not going correctly, and it's time to stop out, exit, take a break, let the chop get over, or maybe stay in the trend a little longer.